Next in Gmail, do you know how to schedule an email? If you don't, this is a video for you. If you already know this amazing feature, you can skip this one because you already know how to do it. Basically, you can type up your email over here in Compose, put this full size, and you can schedule when you want it to send. So if I'm composing this at 10 o'clock at night, I don't have to send it to somebody in my building or some student or parent or whoever at 10 o'clock at night or midnight or 3 a.m. or whenever you do your best thinking. I can schedule it to send exactly when I want it to go. Okay, so let me show you what that looks like. First off, you're going to pick somebody to email. So I'm going to email this guy and I'm going to ask him a question because I don't know this information, but I'm not going to send it right now because it's after office hours. I don't want to bug him. It's not that big of a deal, but I'd like to know these things. Hey, when are your concert dates? When are your concerts for next year? Predictive texts. Just wondering. Here I am. Here's my email signature. It does everything I want it to do. I'm not going to go through and change anything else. I don't need to add a link or a bulleted list or any of that, but it's down here and I could. But instead of clicking send and his phone dinging or his email in whatever window it is saying, hey, you have an email, and thinking that he needs to answer it right now because he doesn't, I can schedule this. That's this little arrow right over here next to send. This also works on a mobile device. If you have a Gmail account attached to your phone, you can schedule it from your phone. I discovered that last week. It's a game changer. Notice your options when you go to schedule send. I can schedule this default for tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock, tomorrow afternoon after lunch, Monday morning in a week, or I can go in and custom pick the date and the time for any of these. I want to send it at 3:30 tomorrow morning. I'm going to send it, August 1. I can do any of those things that I want to do. Kind of cool. I'm going to set it out here, I don't know, 8:34 p.m. No. Let's call this 8 a.m. And I can say schedule send. Voila. It shows me down here that it's scheduled to be sent that day. I can undo that. I can view the message. If I wake up tomorrow morning and I say, I need to know this sooner, I need to change that, I'm going to go right over here to scheduled. And I'll see the only things that are scheduled. Well, look, I have this one scheduled to go out to my superintendent tomorrow morning because it didn't need to go out tonight when I was doing it. And I have this that I can send out and I can change my mind. I do this when I'm editing myself. I do this when I'm working late at night or early in the morning, or I just don't want to send it right then. Maybe I need some time to think about it, but I want to forget about it in drafts somewhere. You can schedule that email to be sent whenever it is you want it to send. Game changer. Try it and then notice all the cool possibilities. Be sure and show your students. They don't have to email you their question at 11 o'clock at night. They can send it to you 8 o'clock tomorrow morning when it was more appropriate. Kind of nice? I thought so. So, cool new feature. Schedule when your email gets sent. Be sure to like and subscribe. Let me know how that works for you. Let me know what else you're interested in learning about.